This project is focused on developing an equitable and sustainable approach to development, but operationalizing that within the context of public sector work. Originally, the opportunity was posted as two separate opportunities, but we have pretty complementary areas of focus. My specialization is environment and climate, and Shreen's is gender. And so we worked with our clients to sort of adapt the project into one that allowed us to work in an integrated way and apply our knowledge.
Because the ministry is a ministry of economic development,
Right.
and has an emphasis on economic growth, there was this concept of people seeing gender and the environment as totally siloed and even siloed from each other. So this process taught us how to go into an organization, find people who are advocating for something, and figure out how to work and advocate these things from within.
It's allowed us to really highlight the intersectionalities in development, but think really critically about how that translates into working in the public sector and how that translates into actually designing a project.
I really enjoyed doing the organizational assessment, which is where it was kind of like our big problem analysis to understand what exactly is happening. And so that involved a series of interviews with people from across the entire Ministry of Economy in order to really understand what is happening and what people see as the problems.
Shreen and I also had the opportunity to travel to El Salvador and do some field work, which for me was the most interesting thing because it really verified a lot of our key takeaways from the interviews that we did to conduct the organizational assessment.
This entire project has really highlighted to me the importance of having really profound understanding of the nuance, context, and culture in which you're working. That means, on the one hand, just like work culture, whether that be the organizational work culture, the country work culture, that really was key to being able to lead meetings, talk through meetings, decision making, or even coming to compromise on things that people might have disagreed on, email engagements, working with people across the ministry, being able to build relationships with people whereby there's genuine trust and genuine interest from both sides, and it was coming from like an authentic place where we're being open and transparent about our shortcomings and who we are and what we bring and what we can't bring. Just having these kinds of like authentic relationships really pushed this project forward, and also I think was a big learning moment in understanding what is development and what is our role moving forward as development practitioners.